Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a project share. It's a DT project for dust fairies that I've just got done recording the full tutorial, and the tutorial is uploaded to YouTube already. Now, I took the items that she sent me in the DT to create this. Like this fabric here is from the DT packet, and what I done was is I cut it to the size I wanted it, and then I cut this mesh fabric here to, and this is all sari silk, to the size of this piece of fabric. And then I took this sari uh, applique, glued it here with a little mesh bling crown right there. Okay. Then I took some, a lot of the stuff came from my stash. I took this lace here and glued it to the top up here, so to give it a little bit of stabilization. And then what I done here is took this ribbon here, this lace here, okay, and I folded it over all the way around. And I took this floral bling here and I glued it here like that on one side on this part of the pouch, and then I went all along here with the same trim, and then I did it on 4 of the flowers. And this here also, this piece here is also sari silk, and it came from the design team packet. And then I took these 4 here, these 2 pearls and this rose to help weigh down the flap of the little mini clutch that I made. So as you can see, I hardly did any decor to the back, but the inside, there you go, all pure sari silk. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video or when I go live or a premiere, any kind of content. Please be safe, stay safe, be crafty, stay crafty, be blessed, be loved, be loving, be kind, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.